Welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. Today, a vendor sent me another free product. This is a paid promotion. So let's get right straight to it, huh? It is the Asterp Showerhead. This has 5 spray modes, has 116 water outlets. It has pulse mode, boost mode, soft mode, mixed mode, shower mode, and it's fall and wear resistant. And it's really supposed to be very easy to install. So we live in an RV. I'm going to show you how easy we're going to install it into our small little RV shower. And let's open it up and see what we got. So the first thing I see here, we have the Teflon tape, which is always good to use. We have the mount. So normally in a home environment, in a house environment, this would get mounted up to the pipe that comes out of the wall. Well, in an RV environment, the pipe comes out kind of mid down in the middle. So we're still gonna mount it to the wall. It's gonna be down kind of mid-range, and then the shower will mount right down here. Same. It's just gonna be in a little different location. And here's the washer that you put between there and there. So that's what you do there. So we're gonna put those pieces right here. And then, instructions, which I've already read. I cheated. And they're good. They're good instructions. Which, if you know anything about my videos in the past, you know that I will tell you if they're not good instructions. What I was impressed with immediately when I took this out of the dock is the shower hose. It's not a cheap plastic shower hose. You can even hear it. It's metal. It's a metal. And I mean, there might be some plastic involved there, but I mean, it's heavy. It feels like it's a quality shower. You know, a lot of them we've had them before, and it's long. I mean, that's a long shower hose. I've had them before where, you know, they just spring a leak because they're cheap. You know, you manipulate them, but this is very, very flexible, and it feels like it's well made. I really like that. So kudos to them on that one. Put that right there, and then we have the actual shower head. Very nice looking shower head. Look at that, very broad based. And I don't know if you ever knew this about these kind of shower heads. If you ever get them plugged up, you just run your hand over them while they're running, and that should actually dislodge whatever is plugging them, and then they will get unplugged. I don't know if you ever knew that. Put that little one, and then this is how you adjust the modes. Like that. So let's get right to it. We have a small RV bathroom, but we're going to do our best to get you in there and have you watch me install it, and then we'll show you the different modes. So some prep work we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and attach the head to the hose. So I put the Teflon tape on there. And you know that one of the things that people try to do a lot with the plastic plumbing is try to really crank it down tight. You know, just hand tight would normally get it. I'm hand tight, real nice and tight, but don't over tighten it because you'll end up stripping it or making it leak. Tight is tight as sponge. And then we can actually take this one and put this one on also.
Would you have to spin that into the wall?
Yeah, you know what? Actually, I might not do that. I'll wait on that one. Just go that one into the wall. So let's go to the bathroom. So on an RV, it has to go here. There's no other choice of where this goes. It's just as simple as putting it like that. All right. We get our. Have to just put this washer right in here. Connect it down on the bottom here. Just go like that so you can see it. Let's look at the spray pattern, shall we? So there is, I believe that's shower. There is pulse. There's one set. Another set. Another set. Oh, that's pulse there. Yeah, there's pulse. Very nice. So then, when we're done, just hang it up right there. How nice is that? Very nice. Go out and get yourself your Asterp Showerhead today.